everything to be an underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the people's champ, and we back with another video. And check this out here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Avalon Beyond Nova. Let me get that in there. Avalon Beyond Nova. And guess what? This ain't any just Avalon Beyond Nova. This is PHARRAWay Edition. Yes, you heard me. PHARRAWay Edition. Yes, the great painter PHARRAWay, with one of the best channels on YouTube, one of the hottest, sent me an Avalon Beyond Nova. It got a 1.4 tip. It's his limited edition, and he sent me one. Listen, I don't even know what to say. I mean, I'm honored that I even got it. So let's open this thing up and check it out. I'm ready to see what it looked like. Woo! So it's got a pretty nice carrying case to put it back into. I said nozzle 1.4. Let's jump right into this thing and see if we can get it open and see what the contents are on the inside. It's a pretty nice case. Ooh. All right, so comes with some instructions, of course. Tools to break it down, put it back together. Cleaning brush. Comes with a filter. Alright. Also comes with an adapter for PPS cups. Comes with a gauge, pressure gauge. Another small detail cleaning brush. And the gun itself. And this thing feels great. I don't know if you can see that, but it's definitely got the PHARRAWay logo on it. The A50 Beyond Nova by Avalon, of course. And this is just a nice gun. Assuming that's the tip, BN1. I don't know if they have different tips, so I have to look it up and see what accessories may come with this gun. But you got your fluid, you got your pattern, then you got your air down here at the bottom. Of course, you know, we're gonna open that thing all the way up when we get to spraying. But this is a beautiful gun. Feels good in the hand, not heavy. And you know, we don't break them down around here, we put them to work. But we gotta find something to actually test it out on. We gotta get this one right. So let's find something that we can test this out on and see if we can get some good results out of it. Yo, that tip, that's a different tip there. I like that. I can't wait to see what this thing does. So, we have here a Maserati. Now, that's a 2000 something, can't quite remember. And the owner told me, and as you can see, this is in desperate need of a paint job. Now the owner himself had someone else do the work and paint it, didn't like it, then they tried to fix it, which you can see a bunch of the compound on here, trying to fix the clear, and it's just a rough job. So customer brought it to me and asked me, can I do the job and do the job right? And listen, you know I can. He knows I can. That's why he brought it to me. So I think this is going to be the perfect candidate for that Avalon Beyond Nova, given to us by PHARRAWAY. I think I'm going to start calling them PHARRAWAY the Great. That might be a good good name for them. But we're going to get this thing cleaned up and prepped up, and I'm going to bring you along with me for the whole journey. As you see, they left paper and they had a lot going on here. I'm still trying to understand how you do a run, and the run is going upwards. I haven't figured that one out yet. And then there's a lot of dry spray. It's just a lot of bad work. But we're gonna fix it. We're gonna get it right. So we're definitely going to get that Maserati together, get it right, get it ready for the customer. We're going to get that thing painted, and we're going to bless it with the Avalon A50 Beyond Nova 1.4 tip. We're going to see what this thing do. I'm going to see if I'm able to get this thing to lay down and spray, base, and clear like PHARRAWAY does over there on his channel. And again, we're gonna put his link to his channel in the description down below. And man, I don't know what else to say, man. Big shout out to PHARRAWAY for blessing me with his own limited edition, Avalon Beyond Nova. But we're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna see what we can do with it. If we can lay down some base and some clear, and we're gonna get that nice Maserati back together and back on the road. Now, I hear it's a 6-figure car. Somebody jump in the comments, tell me if they know anything about Maserati. I don't know too much about Maseratis. I'm pretty old school, so I don't even, pay attention to some of those other type of vehicles, even though I love all vehicles, but, old school is my thing, man. It's just where my heart is. But we're going to get that Maserati together. Somebody tell me anything they might know about the Maserati. And again, we're going to put this gun to work, man. We ain't just, we going to put it to work. We're going to see what we can do with it, and if we can lay down something smooth with this Avalon Beyond Nova. So again, appreciate you, PHARRAWAY, for blessing me and honoring me with your limited edition spray gun. And listen, man, this your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ. We got a lot coming. Ooh, we got a lot coming. But until then, we out.
Everything